There is a place where the ancient and the present exist together, where the earth's oldest light finds its way through stone, and something in you begins to settle. Formed over 250 million years beneath the Himalayan Mountains, this salt carries within it something no design trend can manufacture: time, depth, authenticity. Pink Salt Wall brings this wonder into the spaces where you live, work, and breathe. Each panel, each block, each installation, designed to transform an ordinary room into something that speaks to the senses. Every installation is crafted with intention, the weight of each stone considered, the light behind it chosen carefully. Because the difference between beautiful and breathtaking often comes down to a single degree of warmth. There is a reason people seek stillness. The world moves fast, and the spaces we inhabit either add to that noise or they quiet it. A pink salt wall room does the latter, effortlessly, from private homes to wellness retreats, from boutique spas to corporate sanctuaries. The aesthetic of Pink Salt Wall is unmistakably its own, warm, grounded, and quietly extraordinary. This is what we believe, that the spaces we create shape the lives we live inside them, and that something as ancient as salt, something as honest as stone, can be the most meaningful design choice you ever make. Pink Salt Wall, crafted for those who believe beauty should be felt, not just seen.